So this right here is a 67-watt charger. It's got 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A, and it is 60% of the size of the brick you get with your MacBook. So the nice thing is you still get your full 67 watts of charging out of this if you're using just the one port for your MacBook. It's also got intelligence built in to know, like, when you have 3 devices hooked up to this, it's going to intelligently trickle power to those 3 different things at once, how they need it. In this shot right here, you can see specifically how that's going to mount as you have multiple devices hooked up to this. But the fact that you can bring this tiny brick here, and this is super portable, you know, great for travel. You can see the prongs just flip in and out like this. So if you want to take this with you and you want to throw this in a suitcase, throw it in your backpack, you know, heck, even throw this in your pocket or computer bag. This is ultra portable, and this is a gallium nitride charger, so that's why it's so small. They're basically, you know, cooler, they're more efficient, so that allows for this small size. So if you don't have to be lugging this thing around with you, and again, this only has just your one, you know, Type-C output on here. You can't do multiple devices with this. With this one, you can. So if you're going on a trip, you know, a day trip, weekend trip, this can be your only charger you have to bring with you. Bring a couple Type-C cables as, you know, a typical USB-A or classic kind of cable. So really great for charging your phones, iPads, you know, Android phones, iPhones, MacBooks, really anything. All my camera gear that I bring on trips with me, the Pocket 3 that I'm filming on right now, I can use this to charge anything and everything, which is amazing. It says 92% efficiency. It's got graphene in here for cooling so it doesn't get overheated, and it has overcurrent and overvoltage protection built in too, so you don't have to worry about your devices. So if you need another charger for all your devices, or maybe you just want to replace that old bulky MacBook charger that you got, this is an awesome option, and the portability really cannot be beat.